Welcome students. Today we will start chapter 13 Introduction to Graph. So first graph. Now this is the graph paper. Now on this we have calculate the location of point, axis and Cartesian plane. What is Cartesian plane? Now dear students, in graph paper this vertical line is called y-axis and a horizontal line there is two types of line, vertical line, horizontal line. This vertical line is called y-axis and this horizontal line is called x-axis and this point where both axes intersect to each other, this point is called origin. Now this is y-axis and this is x-axis and this point is called origin. Now this plane is called Cartesian plane, means a plane which consists of x-axis, y-axis and origin is called Cartesian plane. Means this vertical line is called y-axis, horizontal line is called x-axis, and where both lines intersect, this point is called origin. Now Cartesian plane. A plane consists of x-axis, y-axis and origin is called Cartesian plane. A plane which consists of x-axis, y-axis and origin is called Cartesian plane. Now the point O is called origin. Here OX, OY, OX dash, OY dash means this axis divide the plane into four parts. This part is called first quadrant. This is called first quadrant. And this part is called second quadrant. And this is third quadrant. And this part is fourth quadrant. Four part. Now here this line OX be positive line. From origin to right side be positive, from origin to left side on x-axis negative. This is positive. OX is positive means OX positive and OX dash negative. This line be negative. Now on y-axis from above to origin this is called positive. This line be positive. OY positive and OY dash this is negative line. Now here first quadrant, in first quadrant OX be positive, OY positive means this value be plus. In first every quadrant every point consists of two numbers. First number depend on x-axis and second number depend on y-axis. Now this point, first point means x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Then this point is plus and this plus, then this bounded by plus plus. Second coordinate, this line be negative, so negative, and this line is positive, so this be positive, and this is negative and this is negative. The third coordinate, both points are negative, both coordinates are negative, and fourth coordinate, this is positive plus and this value is negative. The sign of the first coordinate, if a point lie in first coordinate, then both value, every point consists of two numbers, and first number is called x coordinate and second number is called y coordinate. Now plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, plus minus. Now next we have seen that figure. This is the y-axis, x-axis and origin. From origin to right side, every unit be positive, 1 2 3 4 5 positive, and left side negative, -1 -2 -3, and from above to origin 1 2 3 be positive on y-axis, and down to origin this -1 -2, this will be negative axis. Suppose that a point is here, this point. Now first we go to x-axis. Now x-axis 1 2 3, and y-axis this point is in front of 1. Then coordinate of this point is on x-axis, this point 3, means this will be 3, and y-axis this. Now coordinate of this point is 3 1. Now this point x coordinate and this is y coordinate. X coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as y coordinate. Then suppose that this point, coordinate of this point, this value from in front of 5 and here 4. Then coordinate of this point is 5 and 4, 5 4, and there this is called abscissa and this is called ordinate. This point is called ordinate, this point is called abscissa. Here abscissa is 3, ordinate is 1. This is abscissa, this point, and this is called ordinate. Now next we see that graph, y-axis, this is x-axis, and both are intersect that point. This point is 1 2 3, -1 -2 3. This is called origin. Coordinate of origin is 0 0, means abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 0. Coordinate of origin is 0 0. Its abscissa 0 and ordinate 0. Suppose that a point lie on x-axis. This point, coordinate of this point is 3 0, means if a point lie on x-axis, its ordinate is 0. Its ordinate is 0. If a point lie on y-axis, suppose that this point, coordinate of this point is 0 2, means if a point lie on the y-axis, its abscissa is 0. Now first coordinate of origin 0 0, and if a point lie on x-axis, then its ordinate will be 0. If a point lie on y-axis, then its abscissa will be 0. Now next, see the graph. Here this line is y-axis, this line is x-axis, and this point is origin. Now quadrant of origin, this point is 0 0, quadrant of origin is 0 0, and this is abscissa ordinate. इसके बीच में हम क्या करेंगे, कॉमा लगाएंगे. Now this point is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and you take this -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. This point is 1 -2 this, and this point is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and from below the origin, this name of this point is O origin, and this is 1 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Now suppose that we have considered this point. Coordinate of this point is from x-axis. X-axis, this is the 3, in front of 3, and y-axis 2. Now this point, coordinate of this point become 3 2 3 2. Now suppose that a point is that B. Coordinate of this point is 5, and this point lie on x-axis, then this value coordinate is 0. And suppose this point is here C. Now this point is 3, and x-axis 0. Now this will be 0 3.